Hi, my name is Jamie.
My name is Sarah, and today we're going to do a thrift flip challenge. We're each going to go out and find a single item and see who can make the most profit.
And the loser has to watch the other one eat ice cream.
It's a big deal in our family. What's up, guys? I just got to my first thrift store. I'm gonna go inside and see if I can find something to flip that'll beat Jamie's flip. I'm hoping for like at least a $50 profit. I think that'll help me win for sure. So I'm gonna head into World Mission Thrift. It's one of our favorites to shop at because we love what they do and we love to support them. So I'm gonna head inside and see what we can find. Jamie got me this really cute mask, except for it makes me feel like the Joker. Struck out. Nothing in there. Too expensive, especially for flips. So we're gonna head to the next one. Store number 2. Well, that place was adorable, but more of an antique store, so nothing really to flip, but I had fun. I'm actually out right now without Jamie and Ruby, which is kind of a special treat. I got about 6 more weeks before our baby girl gets here, so kind of just having fun today. Salvation Army, don't let me down. Nothing. No, there's not a lot of places left. Not feeling so great about this, but having fun, so that's that. But I was thinking about when I was a kid, my dad would love to go to like Salvation Army, Goodwill, and I would be so embarrassed. And I'd be like, can I just stay in the car? And I'd be like kind of grossed out. Didn't want my friends to see me. Now here I am on YouTube being like, everybody should go thrifting. It's pretty cool. It's actually empty in there. It's been empty in all of these. And so I'm like, is thrifting catching on? Is this like a cool thing? And everybody's like taking all my stuff. So I just got home with my flip. I kind of cheated because I went on Facebook Marketplace and found something. I was just really tired of thrifting. My feet hurt. So I found something pretty cool though. Let me see if I can show you guys. So this is the ad. I got it for 40 bucks. I don't know if you can see that. It's from Art Van. So I don't know if that adds a ton of value, but it was expensive to begin with. I'm not sure. I might ask like $120 for it. I got it for 40. So we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna show Jamie though. Check out what I got.
Oh, what did you get here?
Pretty cool.
What? Where'd you find that?
Well,
Hey.
You said no rules. Facebook Marketplace.
Oh man.
Is that cheating?
I couldn't find anything this cool.
What do you think? We both have
That's
something
awesome.
wicker though, so.
Art Van, that's quality stuff.
I know, right?
Too. Wow.
What do you think's gonna win?
Well, how much do you pay for this?
40.
I think you might win, but we'll see.
We'll see.
All right, guys. We're out here trying to beat Sarah at her own game. She's definitely got the eye for it, which puts me at a disadvantage, but I like to think I know what looks cool, so hopefully find something good and I can flip it and beat her. This is one of our favorite thrift stores here. It's called Yes. Alright, so I was only in there for a couple minutes and I could tell pretty quickly there's nothing in there that would really fit the bill for me to flip. I'm looking for mid-century furniture because that's what I know. I know it's a hot item right now. It's kind of like trendy. I'm sticking to what I know and hopefully I can beat Sarah. Alright, this next one is the store I usually have the most luck at, so we'll see what I can find. Those are pretty cool. Might pass on those though. I don't know if the brown is that cool. So, alright, so I just found this, and every time you see gold, it's usually a good sign. So, it's a cool little end table. It's $7. So I think that's gonna be my pick. I'm hoping I can maybe get like 40 for it. I don't know. We'll see. Alright, so let me just show you guys what I got really quick. I may have cheated because I technically got 3 things, but I thought it could be, you know, kind of a set. So, what do you think? I don't know, I think Sarah'd be pretty proud of me. It looks pretty like rattan, kind of 60s vibes going on. So, I paid, I think, like 17 bucks for all this. Let me look. Oh yeah, $17.99. It's my receipt. So I'm thinking I'll be able to make probably like, I don't know, $40 to $50 profit on these items. So I know it's a set, which technically is not one item, but I think they look pretty cool together, especially once I style them a little bit. Show Sarah what I got, see what she's up against. Hello guys.
Hello.
Look what I got. What do you think?
That's super cute.
Yeah, I got for $7 bucks.
Are you serious?
I kind of cheated. I got a whole set. Is that okay? I'm changing the rules. I'll be right back here.
Whoa.
Got a matching set of chairs.
Sweet.
What do you think?
Okay. That's pretty cute. What are you
So,
gonna ask?
I'm thinking, so I've spent 18 bucks total. I think I'm gonna ask 60 for the set.
I think you can get that. I'm jealous.
See? Ruby, do you like it?
Yes, I like it.
So I paid $18 for the full set, which I was pretty pumped about, and I listed them for $75.
I could not find anything in a thrift store for the life of me, which happens sometimes. So I went on Facebook Marketplace, which never fails me, and I found this really cool rattan little love seat, and it was actually from Art Van, and it was in great shape. The guy wanted 40 bucks for it, so I paid him that, and I actually listed it for $150. In our area, rattan is like all the rage right now, so I figured I had a really good chance.
Yeah, both of our items are kind of that like rattan,
That's true.
like,
Yeah.
you know, retro style. It kind of goes with our new wall actually that we're
It
pretty
looked
pumped
good,
about.
yeah. It looks good.
And if you want to check out exactly how we flip furniture, we have a few other videos on our channel, so feel free to check those out. Yeah, listed somewhere.
Above.
Yeah.
Linked.
Yeah, linked below. So I sold my little chair and table set really quickly for $75. So I was really happy about that because I only paid $18, so I thought I was sitting pretty good. This was before I saw what Sarah had brought home. But anyways, the funny thing was Sarah actually got a message from her sister a few hours after I had sold, and the girl who bought them had screenshotted our photo and relisted them for $220.
We don't know if she actually got that.
Yeah, she blocked us on Facebook, so we don't know if she actually got that.
It's just she tried to flip our flip with
Yeah.
our photo. Not super cool, but
But so maybe I could have gotten more, but unfortunately, because I didn't, I lost.
so I listed mine for $150 and I had it sold within about 5 minutes. So I maybe could have even gotten more. Part of that I think is because it was such a quality piece of furniture from Art Van. Jamie's was a little bit more rough around the edges. It wasn't quite as in perfect condition.
Yeah.
So you can't get as much for that. But so I did sell it for $150. So I will be eating all the ice cream.
Yeah. You will.
I did drive like 25 minutes to get it.
But don't tell them that. So Sarah, as it turns out, is the better flipper of furniture.
Who knew? Jamie also only spent probably 45 minutes looking for his item, and I spent probably 4 hours.
True.
He did his very quickly for a big profit, and mine was a bigger profit, but it took me quite a bit longer.
So Sarah's profit was 110, mine was...
75 minus 18.
What is that?
I don't know.
Hold on. 57.
57.
So I made 57 bucks. Sarah made 110.
When you put it like
Big
that.
winner. It's
Yeah.
quite a bit more. Between the two of us, 167
Yeah,
profit. That's
not bad for the day.
Yeah.
Let's go get some ice cream.
Alright, here you go.
Here.
Yum. Pretty sad. Looks delicious.
Do you want a bite?
Sure. Here, Ruby, can I have a bite?
Daddy. You give Daddy a bite?
Thank you.
Oh yeah. That's a big bite. That's okay. No big deal. To have a bite?